Hi buddy, welcome back to my channel. It's Adhrupa and welcome to today's vlog. So first of all, happy August to you all. I can't believe it's already August, guys. This year is ending so fast. Like, it's going so fast. Like, can you imagine? I have did my HS, and then I got my result, and then I applied for my college, and this month maybe college is starting. And can you imagine all of that in 1 year? Just so much going on in my life. And so yeah, today's video is a little August reset vlog, and I'll be doing my nails in this video. I'll be doing a lots of things like cleaning my room, going out, journaling, setting goals for my August month, all of that, which makes me feel put together and also productive. So I'll do all of that, and I'll do a little bit of shopping also, because obviously Durga Puja is in next month. So obviously you can like already guess, like obviously. So yeah, I'll do a little bit shopping for Durga Puja, and yes, lots of things is there in this video. So I hope you will enjoy this video and also feel a little bit productive, motivated, so that you can make your month better too. So that is it. Let's get into this video. I did a lot of shopping, guys. हाँ फिर पूरा 3 बैग भर के मैंने शॉपिंग की है. बैंक पूरा खाली है गाइस, पूरा खाली कर दिया बैंक. खाली कर दिया मेरा बैंक पूरा. पूजा का शॉपिंग हो गया मेरा. गाइस मैं घर आ गई और मैं अभी भागी छत पे जा रही हूँ क्योंकि बारिश होने वाली मुझे लगता है. बारिश होने वाला है तो मुझे ये कपड़े को उठाना पड़ेगा. मेरी मम्मी की नाइटी. तो गाइस मैंने फिर से कपड़े चेंज कर लिए और अभी जाके मैं थोड़ी सी जो भी मैंने ख़रीदा है वो सब मैं दिखाने तो नहीं वाली हूँ, पर मैं पहन के ज़रूर देखूँगी. और अभी मैं थोड़ा सा खाऊंगी. सो आई बॉट सम फूड लाइक लिटिल बिट, नॉट मच. सो आई एम ईटिंग दैट. So guys, we're almost in the end of this video, but before that I'm just going to do a little bit of journaling, and I'm also going to set few goals for this month August. And I'm just going to like talk about last month also, just a little recap or like that. Like if I feel like, then I will only share, because July wasn't something really big or like that. It was just such a normal month for me. Kind of emotional, but yeah, but normal. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's go. By the way, setting goals for my month is never like something I usually do, but sorry, but I'm currently starting to do it. Like it's like I'm building this habit slowly, and I think it will help me somewhere. So it's a new habit that I'm building right now. So hopefully I'm gonna carry this habit in the future also. Let's go. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. So guys, I'm done writing, and these are the few goals for August, and it's about like be more present. Like the first one is be more present, because I really want to enjoy the present moment. I want to experience all of the things that's going to happen this month, because obviously college is starting soon, and I really write that because of like college, because I really want to like remember everything, like everything. Then I wrote like start college with grace. Obviously college is like a big part of this month, like a very big part of this month of my life also. Like obviously मैंने जितना भी सुना है लोगों से, they all say कि college is a very big thing. You will have fun, you will find some friends, and it's a very new place and all of that. So I just want to be more present, and I want to start college with lots of grace, positivity. And then I wrote about like stay consistent with YouTube. I really want to do that. Like it's like my top priority. I really want to do that. Like I really enjoy making videos. I genuinely enjoy making videos. So I'm just going to do that. I'll definitely make some good videos, and yeah, I'm just going to record. I just want to record myself. And So the next thing is take care of my health gently, and let me tell you the reason behind why I write this, because like जब मेरी सिस्टर आई थी तब से लेके लास्ट महीने तक मैंने बहुत उलट पुलट चीज़ें खाई है. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा ही फूड को मैंने क्या ही बोलूँ, मैं बहुत उलट पुलट खाना खाया, लाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा बहुत ही ज़्यादा इट्स वेरी बैड. लाइक आई फील लाइक I should like take care of my health, like I really need to, like I really need to. Okay, last thing is journal at least once a week. By the way, let me tell you, if you are new here, you may don't know, but if you have watched my previous video, you might know that I only journal or write my diary when I really feel like writing it. Maybe something big happened in my life or very sad or something like that, and those are the time when I write. That is the only time I write. So but I'm adding this new habit into my life about writing at least once a week, as college is starting, and I just want to write down my experiences and feelings and all that for my future self. So yeah, just every week whatever happened, I'm just going to write down here, and that's my plan for August also. So guys, that's all the goals for August. And if I talk about July was a very decent month for me, but somehow it was very emotional because obviously my sister went back to Portugal and she only stayed here for 2 months. Like we're hoping that she will be like at least staying for like 5 months, but for some documents and all of that stuff she has to go back, and it's very sad because that was not expected. Like it was very sudden thing, and that it's like came out of nowhere. Suddenly they're like, we have to go back. And she came back to India after 4 years, and she only stayed 2 months. Like, can you imagine? That's so less. Like it's very less. So last month it was sad because of that, but like keeping aside that emotional part, this last month was quite okay, it wasn't bad. I went out with my friends, I talked with my friends, I had fun. I also got a gift from my friend, like I call her Innocent. So if you're watching, thank you so much, thank you so much for the gift. I love that book. So yeah, I got that. And what other things I've done? I don't know if I have done anything more. That's it. That was it. Yeah, that is it. Like these are the things I have done in my life last month. Okay, yeah, that is it. Like my life is very boring, I know that. Sorry guys, I can't help it. Like I watched a lot of series, by the way. Yeah, I did watch a lot of things. And I'm just going to end this video right here. I really had fun recording this video. Like obviously I love organizing, cleaning and all of that, so I really had fun recording this video. And I also really hope that this video motivates you a little bit, yeah, so that you can also get up from your bed and just plan your month and do things like the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, like I hope this motivates you a little bit and make you feel a bit like productive. So yeah, that is it for today's video, and hopefully upcoming videos are, I think, kind of going to be like more college oriented, because obviously college is starting from this month, hopefully. So finger crossed. Like obviously, like in West Bengal there are so many problems going on regarding college, and the moment I really think about college, the only thing pop up in my mind that maybe there will be another problem like in admission or something, it's just like that. But hopefully everything will be alright, and that is it. Bye bye. Love you all so much. Stay positive and keep smiling. Bye bye.